Good morning to all the new PhD students. I'm Frédéric Huginsland. I'm from Collège Doctoral. I'm in charge of international and socio-economic relations, and we are very happy to welcome you, even if it's in live, online. Today to start with Professor Joël Cuggen. Professor, can you introduce yourself in a few words?
Yeah, thank you, Frédéric. Good morning to all of you. I am Joël Cuggen. I am the director of the Doctoral College Lille Nord Europe. I am also deputy director of the Doctoral School Sciences of Matter, Radiation and Environment. And I am also a researcher, and my research activities are carried out in a research unit associated with the CNRS, Evolution Paleontology Ecology Laboratory. And this laboratory is located on Cité Scientifique Campus in Villeneuve-d'Ascq. Today I'm very happy to welcome you for this edition of PhD Welcome. As you know, we are living in very particular sanitary conditions, which do not allow us to meet you face to face and to share this event with you with a more convivial way. But we have made many efforts to ensure that the edition can take place in the best conditions despite the distance imposed by the circumstances. I hope that your technical conditions of connection are good and that you will be able to follow this program during this morning as satisfactorily as possible.
Thank you. So we have a speaker after you that will talk about Collège Doctoral, but can you give us the main missions of Collège Doctoral?
Yes, of course. Maybe the Collège Doctoral is rather new for you, so I can explain a little bit, and my colleague will explain more with more details. The Doctoral College implements its actions alongside with the 6 doctoral schools to support you all along your doctoral program with 3 main missions. The first one is to set professional training courses focused mainly on the socio-economic world and the pursuit of the doctoral student careers. The second mission is to support international mobility, especially outgoing mobility, and the hosting of visiting professors for doctoral seminars. And thirdly, more generally, we are working for the promotion of the PhD in the socio-economic world.
Okay. And what would you like to say to our new PhD students? Why are they so important for us, for the university?
Yes, I'm very glad to welcome you. I think that PhD students are very important for university because you represent the driving forces of scientific research. And without you, research units cannot produce knowledge and innovation. That's why we are very interested to ensure that your doctorate is carried out in very good conditions and that you can acquire many skills, in particular transferable skills, during your career that will be useful for your further employment.
Okay, and today, so we had to change our plans because of COVID.
Yes.
We have a very busy morning. And could you present this morning's program?
Yes, as you know, the program will be taken in two days. First morning today with a general and technical presentation and a roundtable, and a second day that we hope will be face-to-face after the problem we have actually, where you will be able to meet each other, to share your experiences, and to discover the city of Lille and maybe share a meal in a typical restaurant of the region. So it's not for now, it's for in January or February, as soon as possible. We will gather you for this second day. For this first day, as Frédéric said, the program is quite dense. We have, you have it on the screen. My colleague Kamal Mimouni, which is the Deputy Director of the Doctoral College, will present you the main characteristics of the French university system, the regional context, the main stage of the development of thesis, and above all, what everything that the doctoral college can do for you to best support you during your thesis. And it's very important. You will see we have a very heavy doctoral program for you. After, the Bernard Grégory Association will then talk to you about the specificity of the employment of foreign doctoral students in France. After, you will then be given a presentation of the tools at your disposal, Euraccess, French as a foreign language, and issues relating to social protection and health insurance. After, you will have a roundtable discussion with international doctoral students who have been in France for a longer period of time, and they will share with you their own experience. And finally, we will have the Consulid team, which will give you a presentation of the structure they run, focus on the development of the potential of doctoral students in the consulting profession, and they will explain you the possibilities offered to become involved in consulting. And we expect that the session of this morning will end at around 12:45.
I will do my best for this to end on time.
Yes. we will keep the time, I think.
Yes, I'm the timekeeper. So thank you very much.
Thank you,
Professor Cuguen.
Thank you.
We will welcome now.
Okay. I wish you an excellent morning, and
thank you very much.
It will be good for the doctoral students.
Thank you.
Thank you.